Joining us right now for a look at what investors should be watching on the geopolitical front is Chuck Gabriel. He is president of Capital Alpha Partners. And Chuck, thank you for being here.
Thank you, Becky.
What we've seen with North Korea is such an incredibly fast thawing, and things are moving so quickly. How are you actually wrapping your head around this?
Yeah, it's truly remarkable. I think a lot of people are a bit frightened. You listen to the editorial pages of the Times and even the Wall Street Journal. I think they're a little suspect because the Koreans have, promised denuclearization and ending their weapons programs in the past in 2008 and all the way back in 1992, and they've never followed through. So Kim is not seen so much as sincere here as buying time. And meanwhile, I think a lot of people think that President Trump, who really values his skills as a deal maker, could give away the store for a Nobel Prize. So we'll see.
Well, the guess that I've heard from a lot of people is that the administration would not be willing to lift the embargo unless they actually see real movement and real progress towards removing nuclear weapons from that country.
Right. Yeah. Well, as John Bolton said over the weekend talk shows, that we're talking about a regime, a verification regime similar to the one we saw in Libya about 15, 16 years ago, which was really, really pretty severe. So, we shall see. But in the near term, this certainly is better than the two leaders comparing the size of their buttons. The market will love that. And it should boost President Trump, which could help a great deal, along with the 3% growth Joe was talking about earlier in the midterm elections coming up.
You say the market will love it, but is this something where the market is also taking a wait-and-see approach? Because we haven't seen big gains either on Friday or even this morning. Not that things have been down by any sense of this, but the idea of ending a 65-year war, you might have expected to see a bigger premium.
Right. Yeah. Well, it'll take a great deal of time to really negotiate the details and decide what denuclearization of the peninsula really means to both sides. But there are other issues as well. We have to get through this trade morass, and this is quite a couple of weeks here, as you pointed out in your preface here.
Treasury Secretary.
Is there something better than a nuclear or a Nobel Prize, Chuck? I mean, is there? Can you get two of them, maybe? I mean, that great inflation. I just don't think it's a big deal to get. I mean, what was that Obama Nobel Peace Prize for?
Amazing. He got it.
Al Gore. Didn't Al Gore get one too? I mean, Jimmy Carter. Isn't there something better than a Nobel? Is there like a super Nobel Prize, or can you get two of them or something, or can you take one back and then give that one two? I mean, this was a big deal. It's a lot bigger than right?
No, I agree. And maybe, Joe, we should coin a Commodus Award, and, are you not entertained? I mean, the president has, this is the most unlikely set of events where we're now in May, and, classic art of the deal, the president with all his bluster scared the heck out of everybody throughout late winter, early spring. And now he's in position to deal.
That's the left's take that I saw someone, I think it was Adam Schiff, finally had to concede that something good might be happening in North Korea. And he goes, well, the president's unpredictability and bellicosity are paying off. So there's a way of damning with faint praise. But
he's on a roll.
Yeah.
I totally agree with you, Joe. Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay. I don't know. Pulitzers? I don't know. What, Andrew, something better than a Nobel? I think we need something better. Great inflation. It's like it's worth nothing anymore, given the recent.
Squawk Book Club Award.
Yeah, Squawk Book Club Award. That's a good idea. That's a good idea.
Didn't you say that Obama won it, either 10 days before or after inauguration? Before he,
well, yeah, it was those pillars. It was those pillars in Germany. They were plastic, but they looked very official. Very.
And that Arab Spring.
Yeah, exactly.
That was coming.
Red line.
Hey, Chuck, it's great to see you. We will have you back soon to talk about a lot of the other issues that are out there too. Thanks for your time.
Never a dull moment. Thank you.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.